Welcome back to our Watershed Walk series. This week we are talking all about winter tree identification. This week's video will be an introduction to winter tree ID, as well as some helpful tips and tricks. Then, next week, you can put these tips and tricks to the test as we show you some of the common trees in our watershed and how to identify them. To help you identify trees, it's always best to have a guide. There are many great tree identification books and guides that provide detailed information on how to identify a species. You can also find virtual guides on web pages or apps, such as iNaturalist. iNaturalist is a great tool to use, as you can browse observations in your area or upload a photo, and other iNaturalist users will help identify the plant or animal that you've posted. The first thing you can do when trying to identify trees in the winter is to take a look at the tree from afar. Stand from a distance and scan over the tree and notice if it has any obvious signs that might help you identify it. For example, some trees, such as beech and oak, will often retain their leaves into the winter rather than dropping them like other hardwood trees do in the fall. Another example is that some trees have very unique bark, such as birch trees, so they can easily be spotted from a distance. Some trees may have structures, such as cones or catkins, which can also help you with identification. If you can't notice any distinguishing features from afar, it's time to move in a little closer. Once you move a bit closer to the tree, it's time to take a look at the bark. You might be thinking, doesn't all bark kind of look the same? But I promise you that if you look closer, you will begin to see the differences. In fact, you will notice all sorts of different colors of bark, different shapes and textures, bark that is flaky and bark that is smooth. All of these features can help you identify the tree. Lastly, it's time to look at the buds. The first thing you should look for when examining buds is whether they are alternately or oppositely arranged on the twig. Alternate buds appear staggered along the twig, whereas opposite buds are parallel to one another. Some other features you should look for when examining buds are the size and shape of the bud, as well as the color of the bud. You can also check to see if the bud has hairs or is smooth. You can look at the number of bud scales and the appearance of the leaf scar, which is located beneath the bud. All of these traits can help you determine what tree you might be looking at. Make sure to stay tuned for next week's video, where we will show you some of the common trees in our watershed, along with how to identify them. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Watershed Walk. Thank you to all of our partners that help make the work we do at the KWRC possible. Make sure to follow us on social media so you can stay up to date with all of our projects. We'll see you next time!